Hey everybody, Matt Doerr, Special Task, your security-minded friend. And in the previous episodes, we always talked about screen doors and sliding doors at your residence or at a hotel. As a rule of thumb, we always recommend not to stay on the ground level. It's going to happen, but I will say one thing about this particular hotel. They have a couple extra security procedures that are in place. The lock itself is really solid. So this lock down here, so always check this lock. This one really grabs. It's got a good grip to it. I mean, that thing doesn't move. It's really solid. So, but you need to make use of it. Okay, so just don't assume, oh, I got a lock on there. It's gonna lock itself. The other real nice and unique feature I like about this place is it's got a secondary bolt lock here. It's very rare to see it in a lot of hotels, but for a ground level hotel room, this is huge. Once again, it doesn't do it itself. You need to take the time to lock both of these so nobody can come into your room at the ground level. A couple days ago, we saw ground workers work on the outside, but I always do a run through, quick check to make sure everything's done. And I knew there's no way that he's going to enter. Not with this thing. You're not going to get past this to get inside this room. So, just a safety fact, not just to your personal items, but to your own safety and your family's safety. So, as I say, for special tasks, know before you go.